Okay, let's see if we can make a connection with a bird here. Kind of a different morning for us, but we've seen some birds and had some good points, but nothing in the bag. So that's buck right there. Yeah, tank is way up that valley there. So oh shit, those birds were just, look at them go. Ah, damn. I should have headed that away instead of right over here. So, well, let's go find some more. All right, tank's turn here. So, buck is backing him. There's buck there. Chukar and Hun's in here. So. Could be anything. There's buck. There's tank right there. Ha, Huns. Dead bird. All right. Tanks or bucks on him, but he's not really my retriever, but he'll get on him. Well, we made the connection finally. Come on, bring that bird. See if, bring that bird. I will probably have to get that bird, so we're signing off. All right, got ourselves a power pole point here, so there's a buck backing him way back there. So let's see if we can get these birds up and away. Oh, there they go. A little far for a shot. A little far for a shot, I think. I probably could have taken one. I thought those birds were going to be right where I'm pointing this camera. So, you know, there could always be a straggler. There's a pretty tight ball of birds there. All right, well, it's they call this sport hunting, not necessarily getting. All right, so buck ran a total of about, I don't know, 100 yards and slammed down on another covey here. Bird down right there. Dead bird. All right, well, let's grab my shells. There they are right there. There, he's getting that bird. Get him, buck. Good job. All right, so that was called getting. Okay, another point. Oh, dogs are moving. Son of a bitch. Well, that's not your best dog work. I'm not sure what happened there. These dogs were just about, I don't know, 30 yards ahead of me, locked down. And so walking through that swale to get up here, all of a sudden they're running and birds are flying. So